Today, we are making this wonderful natural remedy for immunity, which will protect you from bacteria and viruses this winter. The recipe is prepared in 10 minutes. It is a real natural balm for you to strengthen your immunity and improve your blood count. For this recipe, we will need only 4 ingredients, and that ingredients are easily available at the green market. So let's start. Our first ingredient is carrots. Take 3 to 4 carrots and wash it well, then peel the carrots and cut into small slices. Carrots can play a valuable role in boosting immunity thanks to their rich nutrient profile. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and mucous membranes, which act as a barrier against infections. It also supports the proper functioning of immune cells. Carrots contain antioxidants, including beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which supports overall immune function. While not as high as some other fruits and vegetables, carrots do contain vitamin C, which is known to boost immune function by supporting the production and function of white blood cells, enhancing the skin's defense mechanism, and aiding in wound healing. Our second ingredient is apple. Take 1 apple and wash it well, then cut the apple into slices and peel it well. Apples are more than just a tasty snack. They also offer several benefits that can help support and boost your immune system. Apples contain vitamin C, which is known for its role in enhancing the immune system. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. Apples are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids like quercetin. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which supports a healthier immune system. Apples are high in dietary fiber, including soluble fiber like pectin. A healthy gut is closely linked to a strong immune system, and fiber helps promote a balanced gut microbiome, which is important for immune function. Apples contain various phytonutrients that have anti-inflammatory and immune-supportive properties. These compounds help protect cells from damage and support overall immune health. Our third ingredient is ginger. Take small piece of ginger and peel it well. Then sit the peeled ginger into small slices. Ginger is a powerhouse when it comes to supporting immune health. Here's how it can boost your immunity. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol and shogaol that have potent anti-inflammatory effects. Reducing inflammation helps the immune system function more effectively and can help manage chronic inflammatory conditions. Ginger is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals in the body. By reducing oxidative stress, ginger helps protect cells and supports overall immune function. Ginger has natural antimicrobial properties that can help fight off infections. It has been shown to have antibacterial and antiviral effects, which can assist in preventing or managing infections. Our fourth ingredient is lemons. Take 3 lemons and peel it. Lemons are not only zesty and refreshing, but also offer several benefits for boosting immunity. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for immune function. Vitamin C enhances the production and function of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. It also helps maintain the integrity of the skin, which serves as a physical barrier to pathogens. Then take 2 glasses of water. After this, transfer all the ingredients to the blender. Then turn on the blender and grind all the ingredients well. Now finally, our healthy juice is ready. Then strain the mixture with the help of strainer. Pour the juice into a cup. How to take this drink? Drink 1 glass of this remedy every morning. Thanks for watching.